Come on! Come on! No, he brake checked me and almost hit me. So you really want to go there, old man? Let's go! Huh? You think taking my life's okay? Really? You're gonna pull a gun? Really? You fucking serious? I got his tag number. It's okay. Fuck you, you're going to jail, bitch. Think you're gonna take my life, motherfucker? I got a son and fucking daughter at home. Who the fuck you think you are?